Hello YouTube, this is Shirley Joss. I decided to swap my Maldens. This one is going to be my rose planner now, but I added some more accessories. This is my Fuschia Malden, the first Malden I ever had. Now, the iris one is going to be my Macaroon planner now. It's going to have a rest. And this is what it looks like. I love these Maldens. They are so pleasing to the eye. They're like eye candy, full of color. I like it. This is the way I want them. So anyway, I don't know if you like decorating planners, but I do. And I love seeing my planners. They're very inspiring for me. This one, is now my Macaroon one. I added some bits and pieces here. Both of them, though, have pretty much the same content. So anyway, I added this You Totally Got This. Plus, of course, my Macaroon in a Paris Eiffel Tower there. There's my initial. And of course, the nice gemstone. On the side here, it's the same. And as you open it, you'll see the same thing the Fuschia Malden had. I just swapped them. It's so awesome because all my colors just seem to complement each other. And it doesn't matter whether they're swapped or they're not swapped. Everything just gets pulled in together with all the accessories and all the colors that I picked. So I'm quite pleased with these planners. Besides, I do love the leather in my Maldens. So pretty. As you know, you could still see all my accessories there the same. Yep. I just love it. I just love watching it. This is thoroughly satisfying for me. So anyway, I added some sayings and scriptures here. This is a scripture: honor the Lord with the first fruits of your increase, and so that your what was it? Your wines will be filled with plenty. Your vats brimming with wine, something like that. So this is the tithing in 10 baby steps. It's just for me to remember that this is my finance planner or money planner or money faith planner, whatever it is. As you know, it's Paris themed. This is my to-do list. And I'm just showing you my dividers to see that they are really complementing each other with all the colors that I picked for both planners. They're perfect for each other. Doesn't matter whether they're swapped. Like I said, they are the same theme, color scheme, which is my color scheme. So it's all good. I don't know what I'm saying here. I don't know if you could hear the wind. I'm at home and the wind is so strong. It's a sunny day, but the wind is so relaxing. So I'm sitting by my window listening to the wind while I'm recording this. Yeah, so you could see all my dividers are so pretty. Anyway, if you're into planners, tell me where you're from. If you could comment on the comment section, if it's all right. Now that's my stencil, and I put some documents in there which I took out so that I can show you the back, which is also again Macaroon theme. And I've got the scriptures there that are magnetic. Most of my planners don't really store anything like stickers or anything like that. Front and back, they normally just have decor. I just like decorating them. So this is now my Malden in Iris, taking on the Macaroon planner role. Love it. Okay, let's go to my main planner. This is my rose planner, and I move this decor to the side because, like I mentioned earlier, I did a mess on this planner. And I added a jeepney because I am from the Philippines. I grew up there. That's a jeepney. And all these planner accessories have meaning. The happy, of course, is there. And my first entry to the UK is in England. I worked there for years before I moved to Scotland, which is where I live now. I'm in Scotland with my boys. And this one has the Scotland flag. Everything's Scottish. And you still can see the gemstones. And I added my amethyst, which I never wear anyway. So I put it there to make it look nice and dazzling. The sides are still the same. I added this big butterfly because it is complementary. Well, my butterfly planner is complementary to this one. As you can see, I have swapped over some things in here. I added a ruby pendant next to this rose zipper pull. I don't use this ruby anymore. It's just too small. I like bigger gemstones. So I thought I'll just use it to decorate this planner because it blends so well and I love it. There's a telephone. I still have my rose acetate. So pretty. And of course, my sticky notes from Filofax. I found them from Dobies. Dobies in my place is awesome. They sell Filofax stuff. I added these things on too, a brain dump and 100 collection ideas for planning, mom life, blogging, home life, etc. and so forth. There's the brain dump trigger list. So I thought I'll put this in and as I think about my next plan for 2024 planners and my planner lineup. Still, these are the years at a glance. And of course, my full calendar for 2023 is here. I never take it away. That's my travel section with that girl. It's still the same, but I put all the clips together. The bow, the 2023 clip plus the rose. So they're all in one place now, and it's holding my travel section. And this is just the old cover now. Well, it's old now. I changed it, but it's the newest one. But it's old now because it's gonna be changed again. And it has the blessed mom, and of course my pictures with my darling angel boys. So I think this is my goal section. I never label it, and that's just a list of my planners and Bibles, retired planners and my current ones, and the Bibles that I'm using and the current ones and the retired ones. So, sorry, same as that. And this is my self-care health monitor / health tracker portion, and it's got a list of self-care randomly picked from Pinterest. And this is also a weight loss one. There's one for 50-pound loss and 75 pounds loss, I think. Yeah, so that's my coffee with Jesus. So that is almost full now. I do love writing what he tells me, even some thoughts that he tells me or some blessings that he reminds me of, things that he's done in my life. And of course this one holds my pens. I got 3 pens here, one backup Parker pen. It's a jotter pen, and that's just my list for the house. And this woman is so pretty, so I put her back in. I love all the colors and the flowers on her hair, and of course That's a decoration. Everything's a decor, but at the same time, protector from the rings. So there you go. This is now my rose planner for the rest of the year. And I'm loving it. I love the Malden collection. I am looking into some other types of leather ones, but that's it. Bye for now. This is Shirley Joss signing off.